So let's start here. Can you tell me what trash it is? You're right. It's a plastic cup. Where should we put this plastic cup? You're right. It should be placed in the plastic garbage bin.